this video, I'm going to show you how to use the snipping tool to record video on your computer. So the first thing we need to do is just open up the start menu. You can then search for snipping tool and click on this window here. Now, because we're going to be recording video, we need to select the video tab. And you can see here as well, we can also press this shortcut key, and this is just a quicker way to begin recording. Now, what I'm going to do is click on new in the top left-hand side, and then you need to go and select the area on the screen that you want to record. So you could select a specific window or your entire screen like this. Once you've made your selection, you can click on the drop down next to microphone. And if you also want to record your voice, if you have a microphone attached to your computer, then you can go and select your microphone from the list. And then you just need to click on this icon to make sure the mic is not muted. Now, once you're ready to start the recording, you can just go and press this start button at the top. And now basically anything you do on your screen is going to be recorded. Once you're finished with the recording, you can just come back over to the snipping tool, and then you can just go and press stop recording. To go and find all of your saved videos, you can click on these three horizontal dots and press settings. And then if you scroll down to screen recording, it will show you the location of where all these videos are saved. So you can go and press open folder and you'll be able to find all of your saved recording. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.